This study presents global analysis of digital bioinformatic resources. This is the full poster. You can go back and zoom in anytime to learn more details. The BioToolStory website, developed at the Mayan Lab, indexes more than 20,000 bioinformatic tools and databases after processing more than 1 million papers. BioToolStory constantly detects digital resources in real time using a pipeline that relies on a fine-tuned BERT natural language processing model. Each resource contains a vast amount of metadata, such as whether a resource is available for use. Clustering analysis revealed 4 groups of resources. The average half-life of the most cited resources in group number 1 is 10.62 years. We also found that unavailable resources are continuously cited. We invite you to use BioToolStory to find the best resource for your next research.